Mthunzi, ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi kumnyama kubovu angiyindawo ngime nawe. Nangabe sifuna ukwakha lokusasa loku, you will have to do it together. Because if this is the road that we have to travel, I am with you. I told you, everybody knows who the kind of a person that you are. So I am not willing to back down. But what I want you to do is for you to tell me the truth so that if need be, I can help you or I can assist wherever I can because I know the kind of a person you are and the kind of past that you have and still have. So whatever that you are whatever that you're going through, please let me know so that I can know what to do next. That was Umadlomo Petty Love, guys. Atilalela. Your people are going to be my people. I don't know if this is the part where we have to Tungisa because she's speaking of we are a family. Njani. Just one. Sekamiti manje sebayifeme. Anywho, ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal, Sanbana and Abshen Malweni Minjani. Hipukile hingangwina. So namutlakano kwa hina wa Scandal hikumakuros last time kahle looking at the fact that Ntutuko decided to go to Mthunzi and on arrival, Mthunzi explained what he had to explain. Then Ntutuko had to bring back the answer to Umawake, tell her ukuthi lalela. Umthunzi akakubalekeli. He's just that he's facing his past and he said that we should stay away from him just so that he can sort out his past and then he can come back to us because at this point in time it's not safe for all of us. The mother was not happy, questioned a few things. At first, you did not want me to be with Umthunzi. Now you're the same person running to Umthunzi trying to find out what is happening at Yebo. I still don't approve of your union Umthunzi, but however, it's not about me, it's about the child. We've got an innocent body that is coming. Innocent child, sorry. We've got an innocent child that is coming. So so I decided to go there just to find out and I was convinced ukuthi ukhuluma iqiniso. So now I'm asking you ma, please ngicela ungamfoni ungayi laphaya because uthe akuphephile. The mother was like, thank you so much for giving me the feedback. I really appreciate, but I'll take it from here. I'm asking you that you stay away from this matter. Mina njengoma wako, umuntu omdala. I'll find a way to sort this out. That means ukuthi wena uyaqhela, uyahlehla nje, you stay out of this and mina, I will sort it out. Atuke Ntutuko, can you please just not go there? Because it's not safe. He actually emphasized the safety of her going there. And thereafter, Ulihle said she feels Wuti she does not have to go to university and stay there gubo marese because now who's gonna scissor the mother with them donors? And I feel like she's very, I think these kids are very considerate and very protective of their mother because Ulihle feels that she has to come back home and then Mama can't know, but you can't do that because now remember you will have to be ufundiskolo lapa inkani kala tote, so that was not going to be good for you. Now Mthunzi decided to show up and start telling her ukuthi Asiphephile. While they're still talking about Asiphephile, there's a knock on the door and then the guy says, you know what? I told you, everybody unomuntu amthandayo and these are yours. And then ngiyobaqumula one by one. Yeah. Speaking of removing the people that you love, Mr. Divet and so they had a conversation which we are not happy as amadoda. We are not happy this union that is currently happening. Mr. Divet and then ubabgasa yena ati he was not happy on arrival when this idea was pitched, but at this point they say happy wife, happy house. So mnage, I'm just gonna follow in whatever that she wants and then so that I can be happy because ngiyayibona lento izosluisa ma when I'm busy saying no to this, no to that, just letting her be. Well, speaking of letting her be, udecidile kumama kaPoet that she was going to call the venue and asked to be put on the waiting list. So which means that she was ready to delay her wedding because Utsidi told her the venue was fully booked until March. So with her saying that, it was a hope that because they wanted to do umshado manje. Now, if she says March will be far for them to even wait. So again, unfortunately or fortunately for Tidi, she was willing to wait. And then she said she called the venue to say, can I be put on a waiting list if there's a list, so that should anyone cancel, then I can take the slot? Only to find out that the venue was never booked in the first place. Like I said bina in the beginning, in the past 3 4 5 videos, andiboni iphumelela le union. So uma wakhe wamtshela ukuthi Mathobela uyamtshela umama kaPoet ukuthi, have you ever seen two brides in the same day, same wedding? Nje nibe right, you people are nazani, you're not even family or maybe twins or whatever, you just decided to be two bride in one wedding one day. That does not work like that. So she was like, oh, if Utsidi is taking advantage of me, Zombonisa, she will know who I am. In my mind, I'm like, she's going to know what? Because you allowed her. And Yena, she's taking advantage of Utsidi because of how Tidi loves her, and she is just a control freak. Utsidi does not love umama Poet. She is just a control freak, and kahle kahle nalo mshado wakhe, it's not make sure, because uDivet, yes, ufuna ukushada, but he's not even sure ukuthi ufuna ukushada manje noThidi. I think he's still on his I might not era, you know. But uThidi is in forefront. She's making sure ukuthi uyamshada lo muntu without considering whether he wants to do it or not. So it's just that thing ukuthi masesishadile, there's no turning back. Now she's using Mama Poet and then taking over as well. So Mama Poet is like, no, I'm going to show her how the khomo di nwa kaimetse. Speaking of the khomo, then ngale kwa mavutela. So uvuvu uyaqabula lapho umuntu uba epileptic, then ke uyalala phansi ukuze abazosiza, and then he says he apologized for putting her through that, because now she was complaining ukuthi umyeni wakhe passed on because he had a sickness that he did not disclose to her until it was very late. And that really imlimazile kakhulu, because she thought all sorts of things, and only to find out ukuthi lo muntu bekagula but never disclosed. Manje uVictor uthi the reason why he never disclosed is because when he disclosed his sickness, people, they either run away, mistreat him, judge him, or bamthetha ngathi uyisiguli sangempela, and that's not what he wants. He just wanted an honest living, and he will then now tell her. He was gonna tell her. So now uVuvu took it upon herself to go find out about first aid, what yazini, she's uyamthanda.